What is up, YouTube friends? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. These are the Luxy natural red extensions. This video is not sponsored. I just have been getting a lot of questions on them. Super easy. I like clip-in extensions better than tape-ins because you can just take them out. You can wear them whenever you want. And I find that extensions are pretty heavy on your hair, especially if you have a lot of hair like mine. I like to just use clip-ins because I only like to wear them for a certain amount of time, whether it's like photos or an event or something. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna start off by sectioning off the hair. So I'm gonna try and grab most of my hair. So I'm gonna use my nails to kind of take it so that most of the hair is up and there's just that like bottom part. So like this much hair basically. I just washed my hair, but it's actually a lot easier to put in extensions when it feels a bit dirty or sticky. So I'm actually gonna put dry shampoo in my hair just to give it a bit more volume so that the clips actually stick onto something. So this is just the Voir dry shampoo. I got this in a box set actually, but you can use any dry shampoo. So I'm just gonna put it and just kind of rub that in a little bit. I'm going to take a long one. So this one has 4 clips and I'm just gonna brush it out really quickly. I put it in my hair and then you unclip. So essentially all you do with the clip is they have like these little fangs and then you hook it onto your hairline and then snap it in place. So it's super easy. So I put the 4 one down and then I'm gonna take the 3 clip one and I'm just gonna put it at the bottom to just make it extra thick. And now before I take the hair down, I'm actually just gonna curl this together. So again, I'm gonna brush it. I have this AG Firewall Argan Shine and Flat Iron spray, so I actually like to put this on my hair just so that it protects the extensions and also my hair. So, but you can use any like heat protecting spray for this. My 1.5 inch curling iron. Now that that first layer is done, I'm going to take some hairspray. So I'm still going to pick up a lot of hair. I'm only going to leave a really thin layer. I like to put my extensions as far down on my head as possible so that you can't actually see it. Like I like to have more hair on top of the extensions so that you can't see the clip, so you're not worried about it. The dry shampoo. Another 4 clip extension. Three clip part. A 2 clip piece. Then before I take down the rest of my hair, I'm actually gonna put some in on the sides. So I'm gonna take another 2 clip piece. And I don't like to have them too far forward because then you can see if I like push my hair back. So I might even go over top of these. Depends how you like it. We have all of the clips in place. These are all the ones that I use. And then I'm gonna just take down the rest of my hair. To do sometimes if they're feeling a little dry, I like to take this Axis hair oil, just put it on the ends You should never put hair oil or any kind of like oily product at the roots, because it will make your hair look super greasy. All right, so this is the finished product. I'm honestly so happy with it. I have been wearing them all the time because they're so easy to put in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to do any other kind of hair tutorial with extensions, like a half up or maybe fishtail braid or a ponytail or anything like that. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching, and stay safe. I'll talk to you later. Bye.